Respectfully, Siva can't save the day.
Siva.
It is a must, even if it's a one song.
All your soldier them where the sorrow where protect the castles, they're dying off. You have to know what you're doing, sir.
Kartel is intelligent enough where him can do
oh God.
Nah.
Oh God, they might call the man them your bitches. You don't understand? Why you decorate the tree?
Man never said that. You said to decorate the tree.
And I mix hot chocolate. I wanna do. And I snuggle up on the couch to watch Home Alone. No, what you do?
Oh, that Home Alone, what a Jano Home Alone you got?
Them snuggle up on the couch with the blanket. I mix hot chocolate and I get ready for watch Home Alone. While the man them a peep through the brass window. And I circle the castle. Oh. No. I want to see how this is going to go. I can't wait to see this. Yeah.
No, man, Kartel have to answer, no.
I can't wait to see this. Tell them say not call no name. I hear your name too much time. Hello? Hello?
You know, see, Joey said him and Scatter song soon drop, Pepper.
That's a when?
What do you mean when?
What kind of song? Christmas Carol?
Yeah, wicked.
Because I that him deal with right now, carols. Yo, may I tell you, you know what cause the problem here, Papi? Me know what cause the problem here. That's why we always deal with kind. Stick to with kind. You need a Jamaican woman. You need a woman like me. You need a woman born and raised on the ground. Because all of this foolishness here, with you watching Home Alone, snuggling up, making hot chocolate, would not go on. Because we then feed you upon some green banana and yam and cocoa. Come in and know you move, so. And you make a man them kind of style up, so. Yeah? We caught master.
Right now, Tamilido have to do no more song. It's time for Vybz Kartel forward. Just like Joshie dropped the song last night. If Massacre never forward this morning with this, people would have said, then they don't have it in a title already. Oh, Joshie save Massacre. Joshie save Massacre.
We don't care about the flow. You come to about the same flow. We're not interested in flow right now. You know, when man say that song, the man a call the man them cartel bitch. Cartel bitches. I don't think you understand it. We don't care about flow. We're not interested. We're not interested. You come tell people about flow in them time when man a call next man. Imagine somebody get up to them and tell us some man are your bitch. You think nobody care about the way they said it? You think we care about the way they said it? We're not going to care about the way they said it, the tone they used, or nothing like that. The only thing we're going to care about is the fact that some man are your bitch. That's all we're going to care about. We don't care about the floor now. We pass floor. They must circle the castle, sir. And I this up the man because I'm not sure about how we are do.
Skilly Bang.
How we are going?
Skilly Bang.
Skilly Bang. Yeah? Fagisha Palmer, you come tell me about same flow. You know, this is on a stick.
Skilly Bang alone have to save the Gaza. Sorry, people. Somebody can save the Gaza.
You tell me.
You have to send out Skilly Bang.
Wow. Imagine one man say to yourself, one man of your bitch coffee. One man of your bitch. And this is the problem we're gonna have with that. I don't like the tone he used or the way he said it. What? We're not care about floor. We're not interested. What? We're interested in a fagisha. Where am I call the man? That's what we're interested in now. We're not big bone of floor. So what happened wrong with you now? The first year say you all need to go to church and repent. You all see how Melissa did Jamaica. It was just a warning. Repent. Let the artist do this. Repent. Hey, wait a run after. Hey, that's it. Me have to come off of this thing. I have to go take down this Gerard there. Hey, Gerard. No way I talk here. A wartime now. We're not interested in anything sounding soothing. We're not interested in any type of thing about this thing about repenting or nothing. We're killing people. That's we are doing. We are kill people now. Eh? Don't write no more like that. I'm gonna come off of this sometime, yo. Don't do it. Find somewhere else to find a gospel channel. Find a gospel channel. Go over there. Go tell the people them. Go talk this thing. We're not in any biblical talk. We want to kill people. That's what we want to do. Eh? You see me say them soft like sponge? Them soft like sponge. Me tell you no. All who are come over here and come right to no biblical talks and whatever now go on with, there is a lot of channels on YouTube right now. Me sure you can find somewhere to go. It's not over here. Over here, we want to kill people. That's what we're dealing with. We don't want to do biblical talks. We don't want to hear about Hurricane Melissa relief. We're not interested. We're not interested. Go to coffee.
Oh, no worry. We'll shoot up some of them. Wanna forward over here, man.